Are you a rose lover? Want to have healthy, colorful roses in your garden? If yes, this video is for you. Today, we're going to plant roses to make your garden vibrant and bring a burst of happiness and joy. Roses are renowned for their beautiful, vibrant blooms and their ability to enhance the mood and add a touch of elegance to any garden. As we plant these gorgeous roses, you'll see how they can transform your outdoor space into a vibrant haven. The colors and fragrances of roses have a unique way of lifting your spirits and creating a serene, joyful atmosphere. I hope this video will inspire you to add some roses to your garden and enjoy the beauty and happiness they bring. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more garden tips and inspiration. See you next time, and happy gardening!